sensibility, and practicality define the 2014 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe stands out among competitors in its class. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front bucket seats, leather upholstery, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, and power seats. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.